Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and today we are opening Happy Mail from Tam of Bible Journaling on a Budget, or if you're familiar with our other channel, Tam's Journals. Now, I'm not going to keep you guys long because, well, I got class starting in a few minutes, and I have held onto this box for a few days just for the opportunity to record. And so my birthday was last week, and Tam remembered and was kind enough to put this box in the mail. So let's dive in and see what Tam sent me. All right, so upon first glance, we see it's a party. It's a party. Oh, Tam, that's so sweet. And first, before I even go any further, Tam, thank you so much for remembering me, and for just taking the time to put something in the mail. Obviously, adding that special touch. And honestly, considering the birthday that I had, I ain't even gonna go into details, but let's just say my birthday was on a Friday, which is a class day, and y'all know I homeschool, and we also had a field trip, so I didn't get home till 5 o'clock. There was not much celebrating going on after having been out in the community for hours in the hot 90-degree sun. So I'll just say that this gift means a lot to me for more reasons than I care to say on camera. Anyway, so let's hop right in. So she sent my gift in some beautiful party-themed gift paper. Oh, look at this. Isn't this the two different cards? Oh, look at, she put the ribbon on there, and we got the confetti with the cupcake with the candle on it, and then the other one has a balloon. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I may not read it, but let's just at least look at the card together, okay? Happy birthday, dear friend. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and read it. I pray your day is filled with family, lots of love, and cake. The faith of a friend is lasting. The heart of a friend is true, and I'm grateful to have such a good friend who's as dear and precious as you. Oh, thank you, Tam. I am grateful and honored to have friends, especially crafty friends like you as well. And Tam and I also communicate via Instagram, you know, because I follow her along with Faithful Mess and a few others from here on YouTube, their Instagram pages. This one is a happy birthday with gifts and a frog, and oh, how cute. Okay, I'm gonna read that one off camera. But isn't that adorable? All right. And then of course the washi tape. Can I just use that somewhere else? Oh my goodness. Look at this gift wrap. It's textured. Can you see that? And a little bow. Honey, the work that went into the wrapping is crafting in and of itself. Dove chocolate. Tam, have you heard me mention how very often that chocolate is actually a gift to me? When all else fails, I take chocolate in form of payment for a lot of things. So I'm going to hide this in my room so that I can indulge in peace without having to share it. Because, yeah, I can be stingy about my chocolate, because I don't share my chocolate. I share everything else in life with the guys. Oh, milk chocolate. I'll take it. Thank you and goodbye. Okay. And then here's another one. Oh, this paper is really pretty. You know you'll see this in a project, just so you know, Tam. Okay, let's see if I can move this out of the way so y'all can see it in its entirety. Let me slide this out. can. I think she reinforced it. I probably should just use my scissors. Yeah, okay. I don't want to tear too much of it. Oh my goodness, pampering products. A cucumber peel off face mask. I actually am scheduled to do my facial on Fridays. Have I mentioned that here on camera? Huh. Anyways, try to do my manicures. You would never know it. Manicures on Mondays, toes on Tuesday, and then my facials on Friday, here on Thursdays. So we've got it's like 4 different ones in there. Y'all don't need to see all of that. Freeman Feeling Beauty. Thank you, Tam, for helping a girl heal and stay beautiful. Man, when you get to 43, you need all the help you can get. Okay? Now, package number 3. Let me see if I can, because we can always reuse the ribbon. I will. Thank you very much. There's that textured paper again. Is that even wrapping paper, Tam, or did you use that from something else? I don't even think I've seen, oh, you know what, let me be careful because I feel like I'm cutting into something that I shouldn't. Okay, there we go. And I'm so left-handed, it's kind of sad. All right, I think we got it, guys. Y'all still here? All right, good. All right, and then, okay. All right, she done reinforced the tape, y'all. I don't want to have to cut into this paper, but I think Tam has made it so that I cannot reuse this paper. Was that strategic, Tam? Oh my goodness, I don't have any of these. Let's take a look. Okay, well, we're gonna have to cut the, oh, I think it opens at the bottom. It does. Oh my goodness. Look at the bling here. Okay, so we have the black, the white white pearls surrounded by black flatback rhinestones, and they're strips. So this is great for card making, because you know I like to make cards. Thanks, Tam. See, Tam, you saying that you don't make cards and you want to get into it. This is the perfect stuff. Hope you left some for yourself. Hope you got some for yourself. Oh, now that is cute. It's so festive. And then bam. You didn't miss these, did you? Nice and colorful. I don't have this size and I don't have this variety of colors. So thanks so much, Tam. You know I'll put those to good use. And of course I'll mention you every time I use them. And I definitely will think of you. Okay, so we've got the red and white polka dots. Let's see. Oh, I can move this, guys. Oh, planner supplies. Okay, so we've got today's goals, and then you've got some with the foil. Oh, this is by the Pen and Gear. I have been watching them release new products at Walmart recently. They've come out with traveler notebooks, a whole marker line. Thanks so much, Tam, because I've been waiting to see what else they bring out before I start accumulating, because I'm frugal like that. Okay, and so we have some bullet stickers for your planner. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my planner sits right on my desk at all times, so, but y'all don't need to see what's on it because y'all be like, that girl's crazy. And I saw this, and while I was in there, I was actually shopping for the house and some back to school stuff, so that, you know, this really wasn't on the itinerary of things for me to get, but it has How many stencils? It has 8 stencils. And I didn't see this set. And I would have definitely wanted it. Well, it's got the letters too. Let me let y'all see a little close up of it. Now, I definitely want to be able to use this. And don't forget, guys, you can also use the stencils in your planners as well as your journals. You don't have to use paint. You can also use, like, you know, your watercolor brush markers and, you know, your Tombos and things like that. Oh, we got a second set. Oh my goodness. And this has 8 in it as well. It comes with a little folder to hold it in. Oh, thank you so much, Tam. Look at that. So this one has that. I don't know if the glare is messing that up or not. It's just, this has a fitness one. Now this one has mostly it has flowers, leaves, some birdies, butterflies, definitely the butterflies, the letters, and a few shapes. And then you have the full, this is really pretty. And then this one, this is definitely the one that you can use pretty much every day in your journal, or your, you know, if you have a bullet journal, it's a little easier to use because of, there's no size limitations unless you create size limitations. But thank you so much, Tam. I definitely will be using those. And then, you know what? These fit into my happy planner. Just so y'all know, y'all, just line this up with the happy planner. And so you can see it lines up. The openings line up. There's some, you know, it's like every other one, but it does. So just so you guys know, if you're looking for something else to complement the happy planner and you don't really want to pay the happy planner price, this little dashboard, they work. One moment at a time. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, Tam, 3 of them. Oh, I have variety now, guys. You see how blessed I am? I'm not bragging. I'm just saying that, you know, God definitely puts people on my path that they honor him through being obedient to what's dropped in their heart and in their spirit, you know. And I appreciate it because, you know, we don't always have the opportunity to tell people how we feel about them or, you know, connect with them on a daily basis. But, you know, it is these acts of kindness that can make a person's month, especially their birth month. Thanks, Tam. All right, and there's more, guys. There's more. This feels like, I'm not even going to say what it feels like. Y'all see all of this confetti around here? I feel like I want to leave it on my desk just so that I can be in party mode during class. You know, distract me from what I'm actually supposed to be doing, which is teaching. I digress. And we have washi. Can I just say my washi game is so sad right now? So, Tam, this came right on time because your sister here, she could really step the game up. Really, she could. Okay, and I don't have any of this. I don't have any of the items that you sent me. That's just so you know. This one says, let me bring this up a little closer. This one says, let's do this. I know that glares a bit much. And then you've got the gold foil, enjoy today. And then the floral with the black in the back. And then this one, smile, laugh, love. And then it says ideas, notes, to do. Yeah. And then this one's rainbow, party themed. Because I need to be partying and celebrating life daily. And then look at the cute little bows that she put on here. How cute. And then they come with the glue dots on the back. Is that not adorable, y'all? Y'all can't tell me that I'm not blessed. Now, I'm not sure what in the Tam. Talk about over the top amazingness. Okay? Watch me cut my hand. I shouldn't call that into existence, huh? But I'm just so anxious. Tam, didn't you have, oh, gel. Thank you, Tam. This, I've seen this, and because I have like 40 nail polishes that I don't use, I always feel guilty when I want to grab another one or two or three with the new seasonal colors and the bright colors that I actually like. I'm always like, put that dollar item back. That could be used towards Josh's, I don't know, Oreo cookies. You see how we mothers do it ourselves? Anyways, Tam, you'll see this in an upcoming video on my hands very soon. I'm just tickled by this. But Tam, you got great nails. Great nails. And nice hands too. And last but certainly not least is this beautiful bag with the cute little bow on the top. Now let's see. I mean, I feel like it's my birthday because it was my birthday. Alright, so we've got something bubble wrapped. It feels like it's glass. Some type of breakable that no one else needs to put their hands on but me because it's mine. Do I sound selfish? But I'm a mother and I'm a wife. So, is that even possible? Is it, folks? Alright. Damn. If this is not the sweetest, cutest mug ever in life. It says you are unique on the inside. Look, guys. And as children of the Most High, we all are unique. And I thank God every day for how He designed me. And one of the things that I have another unicorn mug. You probably see it during my sip and shares. And you'll see this one during the next upcoming sip and share. Look at the little heart on his backside. Her backside. It's a girl. Look at the eyelashes. I think the unicorn is symbolic of uniqueness and, you know, standing out, you know, allowing those things that make you special to come to the forefront and not hiding them. And so, because when you allow them to come to the forefront, the people who appreciate those characteristics and attributes gravitate towards you. So your tribe is authentic when you are your most authentic self. So with that being said, if you're watching, always be you, because your tribe will be your own. And Tam, I just thank you so much for being a part of my tribe. I'm not about to get emotional before I go into class. But I just want to tell you that I do appreciate you. And I thank you for following your heart. And the postage on that box was outrageous, honestly. But thank you so much for taking the time out to wrap all of these gifts and to set aside time just to do it. I know you're a mom and you're a wife as well. And it's hard enough just to find time to do the things that we love. So I just thank you for not just the contents of this package, but just for our friendship and inspiring me through your devotion and your interpretation of the word. I thank you for just being a woman of God and being obedient to the Holy Spirit and continuing to share His message. And so with that being said, before I start tearing up even more, because I got to teach, I want to say thank you again. And I pray that God constantly sends people your way and places them on your path to keep you encouraged and inspired. And for those of you who are watching, you can like the video. You ain't got to like the video. But this video is for those who follow and, you know, and appreciate love and crafting. And so with all that being said, until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. Thanks, Tam. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from LIVIE'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.